Well, it's November 6, 2023. I'm up in the area where we put Thea planted the seedling trees in, next to the area that we put the horseradish in. So we excavated out using a 3-foot bucket on the excavator, dug down, filled this up with compost, took a lot of the horseradish plants, put their root structures in this bed, Thea did. And same thing over here, same situation, just that this one had sand in the bottom of the bed and then compost on the top of it. And I only have a little bit of the double ground hardwood bark mulch to put on top of this, but I at least wanted to get a little bit of that on there because there are weed seeds in this compost. Same with the other side with the horseradish. So I just grabbed some cardboard. We don't have a whole lot like we used to have, and so we're going to do some sheet mulching around here to try and suppress some of the grass and weeds from working the way into here. So I'll first start off by trying to hold this down before the winds kick up. And as far as sheet mulching goes, this is only a single layer. It's just overlapped a little bit of the cardboard. I usually like to do 2 to 3 layers, sometimes 4 layers of cardboard to really suppress, because we have some really aggressive weeds around here. But this will have to do in all. So either go and get some wood chips now to hold down the sides. I might do that first. Then I'll use with the remainder of the double ground hardwood bark mulch in the center around the trees. Then I may put some more wood chips on top of that as well. So that's the plan. This is our sheet mulching technique. Not as much cardboard as I'd like to be putting down here, but we have some limited supplies, and I might be able to scrounge up enough to do around here as well. So that is the plan. Okay, I just used Optimus Maximus. That's the Kubota Grand L 6060. Fantastic tractor. Just use that to go and get several bucket loads of wood chips from our wood chip pile, and just use the pitchfork to spread it out. I have a little bit more I can see now that I didn't spread out all the way. But we got the cardboard covered up and the grasses are covered up. Now it's time to go and get Mini Me. That's a Kubota B2601, the smaller compact tractor, and I'll get the double ground hardwood bark mulch and gently sprinkle it right over the part here. We don't have much left, but we have a little bit, so I'll get started with that next. So I use Mini Me. This is a Kubota B2601, super handy small tractor with a nice smooth cutting edge welded on cutting edge bucket that allows me to scoop out with a shovel real carefully the double ground hardwood bark mulch. So I got that on top of the compost that's there. I see one more rock right now, but I'm pretty happy with this. I think this will work out okay. These trees have a decent chance of getting through this through this winter and next season, because I don't anticipate we'll let these grow up next year, because I need to get property ready to get all these transplanted in next season. So pretty happy with that. It's still raining. Always bring a bucket with me so I can put rocks in it. And next, I think I'm going to try and do the horseradish, but I don't have any more of the double ground hardwood bark mulch. So I think I'll just do a sheet mulch around the perimeter and wood chips over the whole unit. The horseradish will probably do just fine coming up through those wood chips. They are hardy beasts. Excellent. So on to the next phase. Well, I'm running out of large pieces of cardboard. So here we are. This is the horseradish bed here, and had it just enough. It's still a nice steady light rain going on now. So I got the cardboard down Now it's time to go and get some more wood chips, so I'm gonna send little mini-me back, the B2601 back, and go get Optimus Maximus, the Kubota Grand L6060, and get some more wood chips down on top of that cardboard and over the center here as well. So fingers crossed everything goes well. Well, looks like I've got the horseradish bed set. Multiple loads of wood chips because we're out of the double ground hardwood bark mulch. And of course our wood chips have lots of big sticks in them and all, so it made it more of a hassle to make sure I didn't have any of the big chunks down in the center there. And you never know because they will chip up anything. So there's weed seeds and things like that, especially since it's been piled up. So we'll keep an eye on this in the next spring and see how things are. But there's several inches of wood chips there, so the horseradish should be able to push up through that without any trouble at all. So pretty good. And we have a cardboard border all around the perimeter. So that's our sheep mulching task of the day, getting 2 beds done. Now it's time to go move some more dirt and a couple more trees. Thanks so much for watching, folks. Stay safe and take good care of yourselves. Bye-bye now.